this is supposed to be like a motivational self-help, or not self-help, I don't know, self-care channel. I feel like it is also important to remember that your mental health is part of taking care of yourself, and you can't take care of other people if you are not well. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, which you probably are because I am too, my name is Hali O, and we're on a fitness, wellness, self-care journey. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. If you did watch my last video, you know that I mentioned I was going to visit family in Charleston. I did, and while we were there, the family member that we went to visit, he passed away in his sleep. So yeah, I have his cat. My house is a mess. My skin is a mess. I chopped off all my hair. I've been going through it. Physically, I haven't worked out in 10 days and I was just getting into my groove. I haven't really been eating much. I've been making myself eat dinner with my family, but that's it. I haven't been eating breakfast, lunch, protein shake, nothing. I just completely let my entire routine go. So today we're gonna get back into it. First, we're going to clean this house. We're going to do all those things because all of those things greatly affect my mental health. And when I don't do them, I notice that I feel worse longer. So I'm feeling a little bit better today, and I'm gonna use this time as wisely as possible. Of course, I'm still sad that my grandfather passed away, but I'm sure he wouldn't want me to be like this for long, so. You might hear screaming because my daughter is completely unhinged right now. She's running back and forth and screaming throughout the house. She's fine, trust me, she's having a good time. Look what I bought. Even though I've gained back every single pound over my little depression period, I am trying to stay motivated. Bought this little workout rack so my little weights and my band and my kettlebell aren't just laying around my room. And I bought these sliding core discs. So I'm gonna organize this. Let's do it. I don't have a lot of workout stuff. Besides this and my walking treadmill, there are a couple more things that I want to get, but right now I need to just focus on getting back into my routine because I sincerely have not exercised. I've dressed for it twice this week. I keep telling myself today's the day. It hasn't happened yet. I have not worked out since South Carolina. I was working out when I found out my grandpa died. I literally have it recorded. I was recording a workout for YouTube when my husband told me that my grandfather had passed away in his sleep. I'm not saying that's the reason. It is definitely 100% just being in a funk. When you already have mental health issues, your one thing can just throw you off for weeks. I absolutely hate this about I'm giving all my energy to doing like the basic tasks around the house, which means I'm putting myself last, but I also can't let my kids starve or live in filth, or my husband for that matter. He works hard as fuck. He deserves to come home to like food and a somewhat clean house. But I am feeling a little bit better. Like I'm getting back to myself. Watch me start getting back a routine and then boom, I'm gonna start my period. Watch. I know this video was probably kind of a drag. And for that I apologize. Getting back into it, we're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. If you're going through loss, you're gonna be okay too. Just do something day by day to pull yourself up. Ciao, cacao. Take care of yourself.